Hello, dear students. After we've discussed what is mitosis and the stages of mitosis in the previous tutorials, we are now going to look at the importance of mitosis. So, by the end of this tutorial, you guys will be able to describe the importance of mitosis in asexual reproduction, growth, and repair of cells. So, how is mitosis important in asexual reproduction, or how can asexual reproduction rely on mitosis? Some organisms reproduce using just one parent. This asexual reproduction produces offspring that are clones, which means that their cells have the same chromosomes as the parent. They are genetically identical. So, asexual reproduction relies on mitosis to produce offspring identical to the parent. An example of plants that rely on asexual reproduction is the strawberry plants. Strawberry plants reproduce asexually using stems that grow along the ground called runners. Moreover, potatoes also reproduce asexually, but by using tubers which are underground. On the other hand, some animals such as aphids can also reproduce asexually. As you guys can see, these animals just copy one another and create identical offspring with no single variation. Furthermore, asexual reproduction is rare in larger animals, but female Komodo dragons can reproduce asexually. Asexual reproduction has one advantage, that it is much faster than sexual reproduction because organisms do not need others for reproducing. On the other hand, how is mitosis important in repair? Have you noticed how a cut on your finger is gradually repaired in few days? This is because mitosis is involved in the regeneration and replacement of worn out and damaged tissues. Mitosis helps in the production of identical copies of cells and thus helps in repairing the damaged tissues or replacing the worn out cells, as you guys can see. Have a look, guys, at this example of a fractured bone where an injury is repaired by mitosis. This happens because the cells of the bone start to divide and multiply until they replace the lost cells and the damaged ones. Finally, mitosis is also important in growth. Mitosis helps in increasing the number of cells in a living organism, thereby playing a very significant role. Have a look, guys, at the picture of these bones and see how mitosis helps the growth from childhood to adulthood. Moreover, mitosis is witnessed in the growth of hair follicles.